Today I'm here to talk about one of our products you can get on the website or at our office in Reimersburg. It is MVP, Mineral and Vitamin Performance. There are things in here that I don't even know. I couldn't tell you what they are. But the local guy that makes them for us, this stuff is fantastic. Fantastic. MVP. That's what your deer need to become bigger and a healthier herd in your area. Mineral and Vitamin Performance. MVP. Hey guys, we're out here. I'm out here with my buddy, my boy here, Lucas. He's gonna be my cameraman today. We're gonna try whacking some groundhogs. That'll be fun. I love spending time with him. We do a lot of fishing together. This is the first time we get to hunt together, huh? We're gonna try to whack one, get some on kill, get some kills on camera. So stick with us. We're playing the game, aren't we? Got him. One down, baby.
That scared me.
That's all the louder it is, buddy.
Sounded like an explosion. Now?
Sure. You wanna walk out and pick it up, buddy? You wanna go out and put it in the hole?
Huh?
You wanna go out and pick it up?
Yeah.
Alright.
Let's go see it.
Alright, we're gonna go get her out of the
Better
field for
take
the
our
farmer.
stuff with us. There is a door.
Yes, he is.
He's a fat one too.
He is very fat, huh?
Whoa. Oh, God.
Right where I hit him at.
And then
Right where I was aiming at.
yeah. Right?
What do you think about that?
Oh, yeah. That's a dead gopher.
Hey. Alright, we'll get him, we'll put him in his hole and head back and see if we can't do her again. Okay, this groundhog is... Oh, wait a second here, guys. There he is. Probably about 200 yards away. Standing up real nice and pretty for me. That would be a dead groundhog.
What?
That's a dead groundhog. 2 for 2.
Let's get him.
We'll leave him late for a little bit. We'll go down and get him here in a little bit.
Aww.
Do you want to go down and get him?
Yeah.
Alright. Luke says he wants to go get him, so we're going to go down and look at him. Right at the edge of his hole. Oh, he might have went in. Yeah, I don't see him right now. Okay. That one might have went in. I got another one right down here. He's in the soybean. He's right there. Okay. I got another one right down here, Lucas. Put your ones. Right in the head. I might have missed that one.
What?
See, I might have missed that one. I gotta just check the first one I shot. I tried to be too precise, tried to put one between his eyes. I shot just over top of him. If you look back behind me there, you can see my little videographer is lagging a little bit behind. But we're seeing plenty of groundhogs. Like I said, 2 for 3 so far. I'm on my way out here to pick this one up here. Is out here about 200 yards, 250 yards. And I got to put him in his hole where he belongs. Says farmers been having a lot of trouble with him eating a soybean. I just shot 2 out of the soybean and missed one in the soybean. How many groundhogs is that for me?
2.
2? Is that a big one too?
Yeah, it's pretty chubby.
You gonna pick him up by the tail and throw him in the weeds? He's dead. You can pick him up by the tail.
Just hit him.
Yep, pick him up.
Just hit him.
Pick him up by the tail.
I'm sure you hit him first.
I hit him.
Oh, and you got a plant.
What's that?
Got a plant.
Yeah, he even had a piece of soybean in his mouth, huh?
Oh, what the heck?
Something bite you?
I felt someone call it my back.
Yeah, probably a bug. Alright, pick him up by the tail. Get a real firm grip. Okay. Look at that. You still seen... Okay, pick him up. Bring him over here.
He's
Throw
heavy.
him. Yeah, he's gonna be heavy. Bring him over here, throw him in the
What if
weeds.
his tail falls off?
His tail's not gonna fall off.
He's gonna
This is service here, buddy. He might not be my videographer, but he is my guide. Taking care of my kill for me. Throw him in the weeds as far as you can. Can you? That'll work. That'll work, buddy. Good job.
He's like a big beef case for coyotes.
Hey guys, action time. As long as he stays out here where I can see him. He's right off the edge of that bush. He's out there a little ways. Okay, get ready to look. I'm gonna shoot. Hear me?
Hmm?
I'm gonna shoot. Hey, it's hit.
What?
There it is, upside down. Pretty small?
Yeah.
Give it a kick, make sure it's dead. Hold it up. Yeah, it's a lot smaller, huh? Alright, take him over, throw him in the weeds. You throw that in a little bit further, huh? Yeah. Hey. This groundhog I missed just the last time I was over. Let's see if I miss him again. I saw him go into his hole. I missed him. He's back out. I'm gonna try for him again. Oh, now it's become a mission. I have 3 misses this year. All 3 of them at the same groundhog, which is a chip shot, maybe a 100-yard shot. The thing must have 9 lives. I feel like I'm Bill Murray trying to freaking kill that damn gopher in Caddyshack. Stick with us, he sticks his head out again, we'll give him another whirl.